Dr. K. Mohan sir has already explained to us about characteristic and classification of aggregate. Now I would like to request Dr. K. Mohan sir to tell us about property of aggregate, sieve analysis and grading of aggregate.
Okay, Mr. Singh. The properties of aggregate can be divided into two parts, physical and mechanical properties of aggregate. Physical properties of aggregates are: number one, grading, fineness modulus, shape of aggregate, specific gravity, bulk density, voids, porosity and absorption of aggregates, moisture content, bulking of fine aggregate, deleterious substances, soundness of aggregate, alkali aggregate reaction, and thermal properties. Under mechanical properties, we have aggregate crushing value, aggregate impact value, aggregate abrasion value. Under sieve analysis, this is the name given to the operation of dividing a sample of aggregate into various fractions, each consisting of particles of the same size. The sieve analysis is conducted to determine the particle size distribution in a sample of aggregate, which we call gradation. The sieve analysis conducted to determine the particle size distribution in a sample of aggregate, which is called gradation. A convenient system of expressing the gradation of aggregate is one in which the consecutive sieve openings are constantly doubled, such as 10 mm, 20 mm, 40 mm, etc. Under such a system, implying a logarithm scale, lines can be spaced at equal intervals to represent the successive sizes. The aggregate used for making concrete are normally of the maximum size 80 mm, 40 mm, 20 mm, 10 mm, 4.7 mm, 2.36 mm, 600 microns, 300 microns, and 150. The aggregate fraction from 80 mm to 4.7 mm are termed as coarse aggregate, and those fractions from 7.4 mm to 150 microns are termed as fine aggregate. The size 4.75 mm is a common fraction appearing both in coarse aggregate CA and fine aggregate FA. Grading pattern of a sample of CA or FA is assessed by sieving a sample successively through all the sieves, mounted one over the other in order of size, with larger sieve on the top. The material retained on each sieve after shaking represents the fraction of aggregate coarser than the sieving portion and finer than the sieve above. Now I'll discuss about grading of aggregate. The particle size distribution of an aggregate as determined by sieve analysis is termed as grading of aggregate. If all the particles of an aggregate are of uniform size, the compacted mass will contain more voids, whereas an aggregate comprising particles of various sizes will give a mass containing lesser void. The particle size distribution of a mass of aggregate should be such that a smaller particle fills the void between larger particles. Now, typical aggregate gradations are shown in the figure, which is shown in the video. The proper grading of an aggregate produces dense concrete and needs less quantity of fine and cement paste. It is therefore essential that the coarse and fine aggregates be well graded to produce quality concrete. Grading of an aggregate is expressed in terms of percentages by weight retained or passing through a series of sieves taken in order of 80 mm, 40 mm, 20 mm, 10 mm, and 4.7 mm for coarse aggregate, 4.75 mm, 2.36 mm, 1.18 mm, 600 micron, 300 micron, and 150 microns for fine aggregate. The sieves are arranged in such an order that the square openings are half for each succeeding smaller size sieves. The curve showing the cumulative percentages of the material passing the sieves represented on ordinate with the sieves opening to the logarithmic scale represented on the abscissa is termed as grading curve. The grading curve indicates whether the grading of a given sample conforms to that specified or is too coarse or too fine or deficient in a particular site. The grading of aggregate affects the workability, which in turn controls the water and cement requirements, segregation, and influences the placing and finishing of. The main factors governing the desired aggregate grading are the surface area of aggregate, the relative volume occupied by the aggregate, the workability of the mix, and tendency to segregate. The grading of fine aggregate has a much greater effect on workability of concrete than does the grading of the coarse aggregate. Usually, very coarse sand or very fine sand is unsatisfactory for concrete. Fine grading conforming to the specification laid down by IS 383 1970 shall be satisfactory for most.
Sir, can you enlighten us about the gap graded aggregate?
Gap grading is defined as a grading in which one or more intermediate size fractions are absent. Well-graded aggregate with one or more intermediate size fractions absent are known as gap graded aggregate. The term continuously graded is used to distinguish the conventional grading from gap grading. On grading curve, gap grading is represented by a horizontal line over the range of site omitted. Some of the important features of gap graded aggregates are: requirement of sand is reduced. Sand required will be of the order of about 26%, as against 40% in the case of well-graded. Next, a specific surface area of gap-graded aggregate is lower because of higher percentage of coarse aggregate and lower percentage of fine aggregate, that is sand. Next, gap-graded aggregate requires lesser cement and lower water salinity. Then, drying shrinkage is reduced in the concrete using gap-graded aggregate. Gap-graded aggregate shows a greater tendency to segregate. Gap-graded aggregate does not affect compressive or tensile strengths. Gap-graded aggregate should be used mainly for relatively low workability. It needs closer supervision, and such concrete tends to segregate. For this reason, well-graded aggregate is preferred to gap-graded aggregate. This type of concrete using gap-graded aggregate is used generally for architectural or aesthetic purposes.
आशा करते हैं दोस्तों आज आपको अच्छी खासी जानकारी हासिल हुई होगी। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो लाइक और शेयर जरूर कीजिएगा। अगर हमारे YouTube चैनल पे नए हैं सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, बेल आइकन को जरूर हिट कीजिएगा, जिससे आपको लेटेस्ट अपडेट नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहेगा, हमारा मोटिवेशन बढ़ता रहेगा। वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।